It was a proud privilege for me and also my colleagues to take the blessings of the Holy Dalai Lama. His touch gives great spiritual strength in a human being. I have experienced. Whenever he has come to Mungot, I have taken his blessings. Last time he came in 219 December. Then I also took his blessings. And he has been a great international leader with large following, popularity, and a nice, great human being in form of God. Again, through you, seek his blessings for me, my family, and all my friends, followers, and all the people of the world. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
कुछ खास बात
नहीं, खुश बात खास कुछ नहीं हुआ. मैंने उनको याद दिलाया. पहली बार मैं जब आया था, वो आए थे, पहली बार मिला था 219 में आया, तभी मिला था, तो उनको खुशी हुई. और कुछ उनके साथ बाकी कुछ बात करने का मौका नहीं था ना.
What is the message for Tibetan people?
Tibetan people, they have been living in peace, and I'm really proud of Tibetan people. Hard work, commitment is their strength. See the way they have developed this area. Clean, neat, the way they have developed the crops. I know. I have represented this constituency from 1983, 6 times. For almost 30-35 years, I was a legislator elected from this constituency. People are very nice, very cordial, very good. And your Tibetan people also have become all family. It is one family. Your Tibetan people, Mungot people, all. And you have also developed your cover in such a way that we are very happy that the government gives so many incentives, encouragement to develop this Tibetan colony here for the Tibetan people.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.